Well, here we are again, folks. Shell Busey here with the OmBuseyMan blog, helping you with all those little incidental items or incidents that happen around the home. And boy, I'll tell you, there's been a lot of damage, not so much controlled within the home, especially with hardwood, real wood floors. Real wood hardwood floors or engineered real hardwood floors, all different types of species of wood, but they're all vulnerable. They're all vulnerable to damage. And what I mean by that, folks, is, let me draw this line across there, and then we'll draw another line there, and we'll make this one here look like a tongue and groove, like that there. And that means wood, solid wood, and or it could be something that's recycled wood. And down underneath here, you got your plywood subfloor. And down underneath there, you've got your joists. That's your floor joists. And this is a subfloor. And this here is your hardwood floor. Hardwood floor. And what do we do in here? We put, let's put a coffee table here. Yeah, a little coffee table. That's kind of neat, eh? Woohoo. Boy, I never was meant to be an artist, but you get the break and you get the idea. But you know what? You might have a cocktail or a Coke or a bottle of beer or whatever it might be. And one gets knocked off and down onto the floor it goes, and what do you think happens? Well, I'll tell you exactly what happens. You get a dent, or what some people will call a bruise, in the floor. And I'll color that in green. That's a bruise. And the next thing you know, you're going to Google and you're trying to find out how to fix your floor. You call a few companies, and the companies simply say, well, it's going to require sanding your floor. And being at the age of your floor, maybe it has to be entirely done. And that gets expensive sometimes. But I'm going to explain to you how you can take that, and I'm going to show it like so. There's the dent. There's the green showing the compression bruise. That glass fell over it, dented. How do you get rid of a dent in your floor that really is pretty obvious? Oh yeah, sure, you can put a mat down or put a rug underneath, but you lose the quality of the floor that's under the mat or under the rug. Well, here's what you do. Very simple. Take an iron. You know an iron. Whoop. That's iron. Yep. Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron at steam iron, set at cotton temperature with the water, steam. And you take a tea towel. You know what a tea towel is? That's the one you use to dry dishes at the kitchen sink. Those who don't have a dishwasher or those who don't believe in dishwashers and like to wash dishes by hand, tea towel. And you take that tea towel and you dampen it. And you wring it out to the point that it's just damp. And you lay that, oh gosh, let's go for, what do we go with? Blue? Blue. We'll go with a blue tea towel. Okay, a blue tea towel. And that blue tea towel is damp and it's laying right over top of where the bruise is. Then you take your iron, cotton temperature, steam iron, and you put that steam iron, oh, what color will we use there? Let's use black there, okay? And the steam iron, and it's set at the cotton temperature steam, so you get that steam coming out of here. And you very simply put it down on the damp tea towel right over where your dent is located. And you just go back. Only 10 seconds. And then move the towel away. And what's happening, you're sending steam down into the finish where the bruise is, and the bruise now, the wood is accepting the moisture and expanding it, and the dent's coming out. And you keep doing that until you're happy that the dent is out, and then what you do, take your hairdryer, and you dry it. Put all the other tools away, wait for a couple of hours. Don't forget to keep the hairdryer. Doesn't take any more than 10 or 15 minutes with a hairdryer. And then once you do that, you use some, you can use paste wax, and a towel for polishing. Apply the paste wax with superfine steel wool, superfine 4/0 steel wool. Apply it, let it dry, use a hairdryer a little bit, and then take your towel and polish it up. And folks, it's just that easy. The bruise is gone. The floor is back to the condition you want. It's just that easy. The how to, the what to, the where to, the why to, the when to, who to, folks. When in doubt, don't pout. Let Shell help you out on the OmBuseyMan blog. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Hey, and thanks for being a member. You know it's free. Tell your friends. AskShell.com. Join up, and you get all these blogs sent to you. And Morgan, my operations man, he takes care of those going out to you all the time. And I'll tell you, it's not junk, folks. This is information, education for you, the homeowner. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye for now.